Welcome to the CSS Crash Course, where we will dive into the world of cascading style sheets, CSS, and unlock the power to design stunning and responsive websites. Whether you are a beginner stepping into the world of web development or a seasoned developer looking to sharpen your skills, this Crash Course aims to empower you with CSS skills to create beautiful websites. Throughout this series, we will explore the core concepts of CSS, from the fundamental concepts to advanced concepts. This crash course is all about hands-on learning. We will write code together and solve real-world CSS challenges. By the end of this crash course, you will have the skills to design websites with CSS on your own. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel Mot.dev. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's dive in. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in HTML. With CSS, you can define styles for elements such as fonts, colors, spacing, layout, and many more. The primary purpose of CSS is to separate the structure of a document from its presentation, allowing for greater flexibility and control over the visual aspects of a web page. This separation of content and presentation makes it easier to maintain and update the look and feel of a website across multiple pages. CSS uses a selector and declaration block model. Selectors are used to target HTML elements, and within the declaration block, you specify the styles you want to apply to those elements. CSS is often combined with HTML and JavaScript to create modern, dynamic, and visually appealing web pages. It plays a vital role in separating the structure and content of a web page from its presentation, making the design more flexible and maintainable. So in this crash course, we'll focus on writing CSS only in order to use it to style our website or web pages. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.